Now we're gonna tell you how to make mixed vegetable lentils. Okay, with rice. Okay, hello. This is fermented rice, and we soaked it 1 hour, 2 hours.
Yes.
Overnight. You can go.
So half cup of rice. If you are using fermented rice like this or brown rice, you can soak it for a few hours or overnight. White rice does not need any soaking. And 1 cup of
lentils, green lentils.
You can use any lentils or rice. Today we are using split green lentils. So anything sitting in your pantry, you can make it up. So 1 cup of lentils and half cup of rice. If you are using white cup, you can also do 1:1 ratio. And we are going to soak it.
And make it.
Yeah, because it is split lentils, we don't need to soak too much. It is just when we are preparing our things. And our friend
Harold
and Ryan are going to tell you what all spices you need for the ingredients. Yes.
This is clove,
Cinnamon,
and whole black pepper,
half teaspoon, coriander seeds, 1.5 teaspoon,
and
cumin seeds,
2 teaspoon, and
mustard seeds, half teaspoon,
some
curry leaves,
and
1/4 spoon of fenugreek seeds,
and some of
half teaspoon of caraway seeds. And now our friend is going to prepare all the vegetables here. You can use any vegetable sitting in the pantry like potato or carrot, lettuce, anything of your choice, anything from your garden or frozen. Let's.
Yes, it can be silly. They're living and peeking.
Okay, and then move it and again.
Okay.
Yes. Make it flat if you want. Yeah, like this, and then very good. And then on the other side like this. Many people don't use capsicum seeds, but it's not going to add any heat in your food. It's little bit spicy, so you can add these seeds as well. Otherwise you can just chuck it off. It's all up to you. Now, so make long strips and then you can do chopping. So hold your capsicum. Yes. Watch your fingers. Yes, and then the other way, how to make cubes. Yes, you know, but it's quite big. Can you go a little bit smaller than that? Well done. Well done. You can do it roughly because they are going to mash up when you boil it, or you can do as much in a perfect way as much you can. Yeah. And we are going to make in a pressure cooker, but you don't really need it because these are just rice and lentils. So you can do, I got a plate for you here. And you can do in a saucepan or an instant pot. So yeah, whatever you got. We are telling you just the simple things. So any big chunks, you can just break it one more time. Make sure to wash and soak your veggies in warm water.
Otherwise it's not going to be good.
No.
But we did it.
Let me know if you need help.
Yeah,
I? Okay. So let's put it here and do on the soft part because this is hard. Do you want to try like this? Hold it. Again. So let's go a little further and now try it. Okay. We need big strong muscles, and you see how I moved my knife to the softest part so I can move this hard part out because knife can't go in a hard part, isn't it? Now you can do that piece. Good job, Ben. Well done.
Like now it looks like a house.
It looks like a house. Okay. And all these food scraps are getting ready for your chickens.
Yep. Where's the Is that we're going to get ready for chickens? These are scraps that we don't need?
Because these are from gardens, so they're full of dirt. Though we have cleaned it up, but still, even after brushing, we can see little dirt sitting inside, and we don't want that in our food, isn't it?
Yeah. Otherwise, you were just getting some mud or something.
Yeah. Here?
I will first.
Okay. Good peeling. Well done. My little friend. And Harold is helping you today? Giraffe the Harold.
Yeah, because Harold was in my school. Yeah. So Harold ran inside and he popped out and then
Do you want to flip it like this?
We pop it though, yeah. So this is just giraffe, but we named it Harold after.
Yeah.
We even got a wee Harold sticker.
Have you?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you remember what to do with this carrot top.
But alright.
Yeah.
You can cut it.
Very good.
And you can eat it because it's good.
There's a hole here, so let's cut it from here. Yes. So we can put in water, and in 2-3 days you can see some more green spuds coming up.
Yeah, and you can grow it again.
Yes.
So no money.
But no carrot will come, only carrot leaves will come to garnish your food and to give you some nutrition. Okay.
And cut it.
Let's keep all the rubbish on a side first. Now you can cut. So knife goes.
Let's choose it.
It's okay, that might be dangerous for you now.
And you know,
Now you are cutting right.
make it like half, little.
Yes. You might cut in a pizza shape like a triangular, or cut these circles into half or 4 pieces if you want.
Yeah, but that might be. Okay, then.
Yeah,
Some I can do that. Some I can do that though. Some I can do like this.
Yep.
I'm first making my way options. So I can do.
Look at that perfection. How perfectly you are cutting.
And these are my options that I can choose. I did it. Now I'm gonna do these all pizza. Like that one. This one pizza. So
like pizza shape, you mean?
That one's that. That one's pizza. Now
like triangular.
Now I have to cut that. Now we're gonna.
Yes.
So we're gonna tell you how to make
Dry saute all the
vegetables.
Spices.
Now
Yeah, you can let it get heated first, and then when you start getting that aroma, that smell, then you will understand when they change its color. Now you see what's the cumin color and coriander seeds color? Yeah. When they turn a little bit brown, it means they're already dry saute. And then you can add your 1.5 cups of vegetables. Can you smell something? What can you smell?
Some
Some aroma of. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Has any of the seeds changed any color yet?
A little bit. Some.
Yeah, a little bit, but not done yet, isn't it? They're still the same. Let's see them. Yeah.
Some are a lot of. The color has changed. So it has to look like that. Some of it has.
Yes. And we can smell it. Now, do you want to add your 1.5 cups of vegetables which you have prepared?
Okay, down so it can't split. So
Very good. Very
we
good.
sizzling sound.
Yes. And now we can reduce the flame to medium, and then you can keep going.
I can even get the saucepan on.
Very good on you.
I feel the smell.
Yeah, we can smell that, and we are not making it super brown. We are just sauteing them for a while.
Otherwise it's burned out.
Yeah. We are just dry roasting them.
That looks like one eye there.
Like one eye. Okay. Some few bits and pieces which you have made. Yeah. We just want to take out their moisture so they get all the spices inside, and then we are not going to cook it properly because we will be cooking it with lentils and rice together. Okay?
So this is all dry, the vegetables.
All the
heat's
moisture.
gone.
Yes, all the moisture from the vegetable is dry.
And I'm going to get some of
Can I help you?
this.
Yes.
You'll hear a big sizzling sound.
Yes, a big sizzling sound. We like it, isn't it?
Yes, you have to get a little bit louder to speak.
Okay.
And I'll gain this sizzling sound.
Yeah. And I can hold it for you.
It's too hot.
Okay, can I do it for you? And you
It
can
makes
move
my
your chair.
hands warm.
Do you want to move your chair a bit far off?
Not too far.
Yes.
I'm going to just have a next soda and get relaxing and cooked. And stir for a wee while so it gets cooked properly. Otherwise, you're not going to.
Okay, so we have already cleaned our lentils before we add it here. Now we are adding 2 cups of water.
That's the same in the.
Can you stir it, please?
Again, you have to stir it so it looks nice and cooked.
Yes.
And there is some soup inside, getting some soup, because some wouldn't.
So I will add 3 cups of water in total.
The water is getting soup, because
So-
all the vegetables make the soup.
Yes. So these lentils are not going to absorb too much of water as compared to grams lentil. In that case, you must add half or 3/4 cup of more water. So this looks all good, but it depends what consistency you want to eat. So I am going to add water more. So 3¼ cups of water. That's it. And now you please cover it. Your saucepan, instant pot, slow cooker, pressure cooker, anything. Cover it and keep stirring in between. And it will take 30 to 40 minutes. Consistency is very, very good. You can see all the colorful veggies inside. Lentils and rice. So full of healthy nutritional option. Now you can use any salt. I am using coarse salt here. I normally add salt after it is all cooked. And this is yellow chilli, which is very, very mild, so children can also eat. It is like turmeric and chili mix. Now this is garam masala, 1 spoon. And now children can microwave clarified butter. Vegans can avoid this step. You can eat just like that, but for extra taste, vegetarians can add hing sparingly, which is here, and then it goes on the top. And then you can adjust all the seasonings as per your taste. You may add some cumin powder here if you want. And I also got dried fenugreek, or you can use dried oregano, whatever is sitting in your pantry at this time, and sprinkle on the top. That's it.
Great.
So how you are going to peel it? You are just doing it like this, and very thin skin needs to come out, just like this. So keep turning and take out little skin out.
Like cutting.
Let me know if you need help. You are doing good. Yeah, like this. Make it stand. Yeah, hold it well. Yes, good. Now do you want to do the upside part down? Very good. That was the best one. No, hold it. Okay, yeah, good. Very good. Yeah, little bit is all right, no problem. So now how about you hold it like this? Yes, very good. You can add chilli on the top. You can also saute in clarified butter, which is ghee, and then add it, and then you add some ginger. This is Ryan has cut, so otherwise long strips, and then dried fenugreek or oregano sitting, and a bit on your yogurt. It's ready.